What's going on? We got some stuff going on today for the Audi. Let's just take a look. Right here, we have a new intake and a dash cam and a radar detector. And then this is a secret. Can't know about this just yet. But let's go put this on. So what we have to do today is find a cord for the radar detector that will also work with the dash cam, so they can both go into the cigarette lighter, because I don't want to really mess with the wiring in this car, and it would just make everything easier. So we're gonna do that first. So what I'm looking for is a mini USB to USB, because the radar's cigarette lighter port has a USB and it connects to the radar. So if I get the mini USB, which connects to the dash cam, the USB can go from the radar's cigarette lighter port USB to the dash cam and just have two wires hanging up there, which might suck, but it's better than having to mess with all the wiring that's up in here, and I don't really want to do that. So best thing that we can do. So I think I found a little substitute for now, at least until we can order one, because I want to get this thing in here, but it should work. We will see. Clothes need to put on the car wash. This car is really dirty, so we're gonna give her a wash. I was just really confused because it keeps locking when I spray the door handles, because it locks when you press the button. I was like, why is the car so low? It is so cold. Oh. Right now I'm trying to get some intake noises and I see this. What is lifespan therapy? That makes no sense. Alright, let's run home, install the radar and the intake. As you can see, we've already put in the dash cam because this came like 3 or 4 days before everything else. So this is already in here, so I'm going to install the radar. Alright, got the instructions. Sorry, this camera angle kind of sucks. It's whatever. Jesus Christ. There we go. GSP ain't catching us. Dash cam is also set up unstoppable. Can't catch us. Now, the only thing that sucks is the cables that come down, but it's really not that bad. The little trees are worse, TBH. So, it's cool. We got our little setup going. Eventually in the future, I want to wire both of them to be going into the system, but we'll see. That's a little hard, so yeah. Let's install the intake now.
You're the one I want, you're the one I need, I'm begging you, please. Can you come back to me, 'cause I was blind to see, that's who will ride in front of me, you will ride in front of me, girl, I was blind to see, that's who will ride in front of me.
That was a bitch.
You're the one I want.
Looks good though.
You're the one I need.
Let's clean up.
I'm begging you. Can you come back to me? 'Cause I was blind to see that you were right.
All right, you ready?
This shirt has in the right spot.
Yep.
That too?
Yep.
It's tight.
Yep. I watched the video. Watched it again. It's all tight.
I do hear that.
Oh my gosh. That's insane. Damn.
My radar is in.
Yep, it's all in. It's got 2 cords, so it's a little ugly, but it's like fine. Alright. Let's test out this intake. I'm pretty excited because it sounds so good. That is so cool. No way. You gotta put the on now, like bad.
We'll go tomorrow. We'll
Yeah.
see if they can do it.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Should I try to floor it?
Yeah.
You can't even hear it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my gosh. Of a X-Band.
I don't know what the different. I'll have to Google it. I love when you said, well, you can be my filmer. I thought you're not even gonna let me drive my own car.
Oh, it sounds insane now. Oh my gosh.
I wanna make some old grandma mad.
Oh yeah. That's the plan.
That's how I feel right now.
Plan today, piss off an old lady. That's insane.
Oh my.
Mine is just burbling.
Oh,
As you can see, I'm in new clothes, new location, which you can't know about yet. But yeah, intake is all done on this car. We've got some crazy stuff going on. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see some more stuff that I've got going on. And we've got some crazy stuff in the works, so stay tuned. But see you later. Subscribe.